Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rachit Mishra. Today I am here to perform two type of tests. First one is vertical jump and second one is 1 minute sit-up test. First I am going to show how to perform a vertical jump. Vertical jump is also known as Sergeant jump, which was named after Dudley Allen Sergeant. This test or the vertical jump was invented to test the explosive power of an athlete. That After performing this skill or this test, we can analyze that how much an explosive power do an athlete have. And the second major reason to perform this vertical test is to check the reach of an athlete. Like in the game of basketball and other jumping games, we need such type of activity for an athlete to perform his basic drills in the game, or his basic performance will enhance with the checking of his ability. So I am going to show how to perform vertical jump first. As we know that this test is performed alongside of an board which is located or marked on a wall. But I am performing this test at my house, so I am not available with that board. So basically, what I am going to do is I am going to perform this test with my wet hands. So first of all, what you need to do in this test first, the athlete will stand with the flat foot on his ground. His foot will be fully flat, fully touching to the ground, and he will reach to the highest point with his one arm. Like this is my highest point, so I will mark or I will take measurement of that point. What is the maximum height I am reaching with my foot flat on the ground. The assistant will take that reading. The next step is to check the explosive power. So in that case, what the athlete will stand alongside with the measurement wall, and suppose here is the first reading. Okay, so he will try to jump as high as he can and reach to the highest point of that marking board, and that point will be marked by the assistant, and the assistant will measure the distance between the first reading of his height and the second reading. The distance will be known as the power of that athlete. So now I am going to perform I am going to show how to do this skill. I am not available with any type of marking board or scale, and not with that two side double tape side tape also. So I am using this my weight hand. You can see this is my the reaching point while my foot are flat on the ground. So next I am going to do is I am going to jump as high as I can and try to touch the wall with my wet hands. Okay. So as you can see that this is my first reading and that one is my second reading. So the next step is for assistant. That assistant will take mark the distance between those 2 points and take the reading. Second test is on bent knee sit-up test. This test is used to basically check the muscular endurance of abdominal of any of the athlete. In this test, you have to do is that you are given 1 minute time. In that time, you have to do sit-ups as much as you can. The procedure to perform this test is like that. Your back should be flat and touch to the ground. Your knees should be bent, but your ankle should not above the ground. Ankle should also touch the ground, and you have to perform this test. Basically, I am going to perform this test, and you will check how it is done. First, we will say as it is in the name that it is a bent knee sit-up test. So your knee should be bent, your ankle should be grounded, not it should be
it should be fully touching the ground, not it should be raises. Okay, now your back should also be flat like this. It should not be like this, it should not be like this, it should be flat. And you are given the 1 minute time and you have to perform that maximum repetition in that given time. Okay, so now I am going to start my test.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
So these were my two topics. First one was 12-minute Cooper test run, and second one was bent knee step test for 1 minute. So you have seen me performing these two step test, and